Toncoin Wallet app. So here is the app by Ton Apps UK Ltd. So original popular app is Tonkeeper. So that's like one of the most popular Toncoin wallets out there. That's the one, but also there is Toncoin Wallet app, just specifically to have like a Toncoin wallet. Allows you to make fast and secure blockchain-based payments without intermediaries, ready to go. And yeah, just specifically focused on transactions. And yeah, so here you have it. Just open it up and then import existing wallet. So you can just import this wallet from your Tonkeeper app. In Tonkeeper app, you just wait. So here it is. You just have it in the settings, and then you have your backup, and then here's your recovery phrase. You can show it for yourself and then just import the wallet. Otherwise, you can just go and then create, and then finally you are ready to go. And then here's your wallet. You'll see your address, and then you see your settings. You can backup wallet here. So you can just use your Face ID, and then you can just receive Toncoin. Here's your address. You can also create invoice here. And then, yep, just that's the idea. Server settings. You can also see it here, and then basically that's what it is. So that's what it is.